Just showing the Keychron Q1 spacebar quality. Look at this build quality. Can you see? Such a big gap on the right hand side. Watch this. Okay, it's a fucking seesaw. Oh look. Okay, what about I'll do both sides, huh? I'll press it down really hard to make sure it is in. Okay. But watch this. You can't. Okay. Look. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god. The fuck? For a $240 keyboard. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Oh my, the build quality is unbelievable.